On desktop, create folder named blog. Then after, open it with Visual Studio Code. So open up a terminal. So that command will create Django backend project folder. Then you change the directory to backend. Let's create an application named core. So the command is changing from startproject to startapp. After that, if you see the structure of our directory, you can see this is Django root folder and this is Django application. So after creating Django project folder and the Django application, what we need to do is to make some changes of setting py file. Okay, but before we proceed, make sure you have installed the REST API framework, but also make sure you have installed the course headers. Okay, so let me copy the REST API framework from my desktop to the Django project folder. Okay, so after that, let's open setting py file and add some important configuration needed for our project. Okay, the first thing is to install the application. Okay, after install the application, let's add the course headers on middleware section. After that, let us add one line here at the very end of this folder. After that, Ctrl S to save the changes. Then after, you can open up a terminal once again. So the command will start Django project, and let's see what is happening on our browser.